So are you ready to boost your freelancing game and rise above the competition? So watch closely because I'm about to reveal low competition Fiverr gigs to help you succeed where most people give up. So let's head over to fiverr.com to get started. Don't miss out this opportunity to get ahead with gigs that truly pay off. So let's say you're a graphic designer skilled in logo creation, and you might think I'll just list logo design as my service on Fiverr. But here's the reality. Over 130,000 people are already doing this. So your profile could easily get lost in the crowd and making it tough to get noticed, let alone get orders. But here's the trick. Instead of the common logo design keyword, we are going to niche down. Let's try abstract logo. And here you go. Only 826 people are offering this service, and we have just dropped from 130,000 competitors to under 1,000. With a well-crafted gig, you will be able to stand out and rank more easily, attracting orders your way. So let's explore another example. Website development. You type it in and boom, 46,000 people are already there. Sound discouraging? Don't worry. We can refine our keywords again. Try portfolio website. Now competition drops to just 2,900 and want even fewer competitors, then go for law firm website with 1,900 competitors. With just 1,900 competitors, or doctor website with just 824 competitors. By targeting these specific services, you'll be a big fish in a smaller pond and land clients faster. So here's a third pro tip. Book creation. With 68,000 competitors, journal book creation is intense. But shift to KDP low content books and competition falls to just 1,600. These are simple books like journals and diaries that you can quickly create and upload to Kindle Direct Publishing KDP. So it's a fantastic niche with solid earning potential. Another low competition gig. Happy birthday videos. Only 892 people are offering fun custom birthday videos. So this is an easy and high demand service with very low competition. Just imagine recording a personalized birthday video with a unique twist. So let's keep going. How about gaming video editing? Journal video editing is crowded, but gaming video editing narrows the field to only 2,700 competitors, allowing you to showcase your skills to a targeted audience. So this niche is in demand and gaming content is booming right now. So you can create your gaming video editing gig and rock. And finally, let's talk about a unique service, Humanizing AI content. As you all know, AI content is everywhere, and many clients need AI-generated content edited to sound natural, avoiding plagiarism issues in blog posts, papers, or books. So it's a straightforward yet valuable service with limited competition. So there you have it, folks. 6 low competition Fiverr gigs that you can start right now. Which one excites you the most? Simply comment down below and I'll dive deeper in my next video. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights to get ahead in freelancing. See you all in the next video. Take care.